Hi there. You find me here in Bryant Park in Albany on a kind of slightly rainy Saturday in November. And I just want to point out how nice a place this is, even when it's raining. This time of year, there are no no large crowds in here, and not much traffic on this road that goes around Bryant Park. So it's a nice place to ride a bike, as of course much of Albany is a nice place to ride a bike. And here, take a look at this panorama of well, here there's about to a car is about to show up, but it doesn't happen often. At least not this time of year. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a taste of Bryant Park in Albany. And what else can I say about this Saturday? Not much. The world might be going to hell, as you know. That's the impression you get from watching the news. So you don't want to watch too much of the news. Makes you depressed. Instead, come out to a place like this, wander around or ride your bike, and enjoy a little bit of nature right close to town. That's the message for this Saturday, which I believe is the 4th of November, 2023, in Albany, Oregon, USA. A nice place to live, as I say, always. But as I also always say, don't tell anybody. We want that to be a well-kept secret. So, thanks a lot, and I'll see you here on this channel, or again on HH Today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm House of Herring.